Let's go and talk about FTP here. So the standard FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, so that's what FTP stands for, is the original FTP client. It comes standard with most Linux distributions, and it first appeared in the 4.2 BSD, which was developed by the University of California, Berkeley. It's easy to use FTP, and let's say you want to connect to the anonymous FTP site metalab.unc.edu to download the latest Linux kernel source. So at the command line, you would type FTP metalab.unc.edu, and the FTP program will attempt to connect to metalab.unc.edu. Another way to do this is to run FTP from the command line with no parameters and use the open command with the site name as an argument. So you can use FTP, a prompt would pop up, and you can run this command here. All right. Now I can't show you this on my machine because it's not really set up to connect to external websites. I don't have an FTP server that I can connect to that can relay these commands. Okay, but just be aware that you can grab files from websites using this FTP command. There's also TFTP, and this is Trivial File Transfer Protocol, and this can be used to transfer files to and from remote machines, including some very minimalistic, usually embedded systems. The remote host may be specified on the command line, in which case TFTP uses hosts as the default host for future transfers. The TFT protocol provides no provisions for authentication or security. Therefore, the remote server will probably implement some kind of access restriction or firewalling. These access restrictions are likely to be site and server specific. Okay, so you have to secure them somehow. And this is likely specified on the server itself.